Well, another day of being bored. Huh? Oh hey JJP, come in. Okay, now we will wait for the rest of the gang. Okay. Okay, so the reason I got you here, because I'm going to Manila, and I invited you guys. I booked it for us. Wow, that's so amazing. Yes, it is. There is a railway called PMR. That's even cooler. Okay guys, please go back home and pack your stuff. We're going to Manila tomorrow. Okay, that's everything packed up in the car, but this car only has 5 seats, so 5 sirens will have to squeeze together in the back seats. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get this show in the road. Are we at the airport yet?
Nope.
Are we there yet?
Nope.
Are we there yet?
No!
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 Are we there yet? Don't you even start. Sorry, it's a bit funny. Ham. Flight X6 boarding now. Those who are heading to Flight X6, please proceed to Gate 18. That's us. Let's go guys.
Please show me your boarding passes. Thanks, you're good to get on.
Hello passengers, this is your captain speaking. We will be taking off in 5 minutes. Please fasten your seat belts.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay guys, we have landed in Manila. Please get all of your belongings and exit the plane after the plane comes to a complete stop. And have a good evening. Finally at Manila after a freaking long flight. Okay, now all we need is some wheels.
Pupunta kahit-san guys.
Pardon? It's okay, let me do the talking. Gusto naming pumunta sa pinakamalapit na istasyon NG trend.
Sage, sumakay ka na.
Oh stupid me, I forgot about the translation subtitle right in the screen. Are we there yet?
Ano ang sinabi niya?
Tinatanong niya kung nandun na ba tayo. Are we there yet?
Hindi pa.
No, not yet. Oh look, a DL 921.
Okay, we are at your destination. The ride will cost you 56 Philippine peso, and if you are wanting to call me to go to other places, here's my number.
Okay, salamat sir.
Walang anuman.
Wow, this train is nice.
Whoa, this train has 5G network.
I know, right? This is our stop. Okay, let's go to a hotel.
Okay. Okay, this was a tiring day for us.
Yeah, me too.